is the thing, the big change that I was talking about. So I have my flight at 10:50, but I am approximately 3 hours early for my flight because I was paranoid. Yeah, I am like that. I am paranoid and I have nothing to do now, and I'm sitting at my gate. I left my home at 4:20, and yeah, again for my 10:50 flight. I don't know if I'm audible. Should I wear the mic? But it's too much work. Yeah, so I left my home at 4:20 for my 10:50 flight. When I reached the airport, it was not even sunrise. Then I went for my check-in luggage. There was a little drama over there, but I found a very nice guy over there and a very nice bhaiya. So my luggage was a little overweight. I don't know how. We got it weighed twice, and it was okay. So yeah, we weighed my luggage twice. Went to the aata chakki wale bhaiya, weighed it twice. Had a lot of margin, and still somehow, when I reached at the check-in luggage counter, it was overweight. So this good wali bhaiya was like, he was telling me slowly that okay, no, you, I'll let you go, that it's okay. But the guy sitting on the counter was like, no, 2 kgs up, can't let you go, something like that. And I was like, and I was like, what? First step into it, and I am already facing a problem. Did not sign up for that. Panicked as usual, or was already panicking. Was emotional, and then that happened. So I was like, but then when I opened my suitcase, went to the side, opened my suitcase. So I had put, I think what increased the weight in the last moment was a tripod and an umbrella, a big tripod, big ass tripod. So I think, yeah, that ought to did it. Then I took some of my clothes and put that in my cabin luggage. Did a lot of some thusai. Got scared for the zips and everything. But yeah. Then I took out the tripod and umbrella as well. And when I did all of that, logged it, it was okay, the weight was fine. But then the good wale bhaiya told me to keep the umbrella in the luggage only. But I was like, again, he said something like allowed nahi hai or something like that. I was like, then he was like, I said कि भैया ये भी पूछ लीजिए ट्राईपॉड भी ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो भी फिर ही आस्क्ड एंड ही वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट ही वाज लाइक हाँ हाँ आप इसको चेक इन लगेज में ही रख दीजिए तो भैया फिर से वेट हो जाएगा फिर आप फिर बोलेंगे बोलते नहीं नहीं मैं देख लूँगा आप रख दीजिए आप टेंशन मत लीजिए आई सी टू इट कि ठीक है अगर थोड़ा सा हो भी जाता है एक्स्ट्रा डोंट वरी आई इट विल बी ओके आई लेट मी माय गॉड इस भैया अ गॉड सेंट. And then that happened. I put my tripod and umbrella back into my check-in luggage, and he did not even wait in front of the other guy and just passed my luggage through, and my check-in was done. But still, my panic mode was still on. My paranoid mode was still on. Then the immigration was easy. Although that guy was unable to find my visa and my passport. He was like, visa kahan hai aapka? Please, no more, no more bullshit, no more panic. Then I was like, yeah, give it to me, I'll show you. Then I showed him. It was easy, did not ask anything else. I went through it. Then the security part was there, and I went into the security. Took out all my charger cables and all of that. Then he told me कि laptop निकालिए ये निकालिए उसका charger निकालिए. Did all of that. That was fine. Then I had to take my what? Yeah, collect my belongings, collect my items from the security wale trays, and I was paranoid again. I was counting. सब रख लिया ना, सब रख लिया ना. Yeah. All in all, it is a very, I don't know what should I say, good experience, good and scary. Traveling internationally first of all, then traveling all by yourself, traveling solo. All it takes is to summon the guts for the first time. I think after the first time you're good to go. Wise words. Now I have 3 hours to kill and I have no idea what am I gonna do. I might want to go and eat something, not sure about that as well. But I am already a little tired. and I already feel like I'm just gonna sit here at my gate for the 3 hours and spend time over here. I have not even slept. But again, the paranoia will hit if I'll sleep over here. So that's about that. So I haven't disclosed the destination yet, and I won't be doing that until we reach there. So yeah, the best part is I don't even know what I want to do. Do I want to just sit here and kill time over here, or do I wanna, you know, want to do something, time pass kind of thing. I don't know. That is the biggest problem. If I would have known that I just want to sit here and I want to go somewhere and kill some time, it would have been better. But this is worse. I should eat something as well because my flight is at 11:50, and God knows when I no what 10:50. I'm sorry, 10:50, and God knows when am I gonna get some food in the flight as well. But I have no idea what to eat. I have a lot of things going inside my mind right now, and I have no idea. I don't know how am I feeling about everything that I'm seeing around me as well. It's cold outside. I can see the fog. Guys, I think I have finally thought what I am I gonna do. I mean, I think I should eat something. Wow. I think I should eat something, so I'll just go and eat something now. So yeah, let's go. I think the bigger alas that I'm having is I'll have to move all of this stuff, all of this. It has a check-in cabin luggage under this. So yeah, that is my alas. But I think I'm gonna fight my alas and we're gonna go and eat something now. Let's go. So I have finally decided what to eat, and I'm sitting in front of burgers. So guys, I finally decided to eat something, and guess what am I eating? Yes, I am a chili potato paglu, and I thought that before leaving India, I'll not be able to eat chili potato for a long time, so I might just eat it now. So now, chili potato paglu I am big time. I asked them specifically that would it be possible if I can get chili potato instead of honey chili potato? And they were like, yeah, of course, why not? But it is still sweet. No, it's sweet. So I might also meet a few of my friends over here and some people that I know. They are probably at the immigration and security right now. As I told you, I am way too early. So I might meet them right now. Let's see. Also, this is one hell of a fancy glass for drinking cold drink. Okay, I just got to know that this cup might as well be not for it. Let's see what is written over here. Caution contains hot. Caution contains hot. So I think उन्होंने मेरे को बस ये चिप दिया है, probably जिससे इसमें कम क्वांटिटी आ पाए कोल्ड ड्रिंक की. एयरपोर्ट पे आपको फूड कोर्ट में कहीं पे भी ऐसे छोटे मोटे स्टैंड्स होते मिल सकते हैं. भाई द मोर आई एम ईटिंग दिस द मोर आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये थोड़े बहुत नहीं काफ़ी मीठे हैं. एंड आई डू नॉट लाइक मीठे चिली पोटैटो, आई डू नॉट लाइक हनी चिली पोटैटो. आई स्पेसिफिकली सेड कि हो पाएगा क्या? एंड शी सेड हाँ ऑब्वियसली. उसके बाद ये इतने मीठे और ये इतने सारे मीट के साथ में खा के फील्स वेरी मेरी साइड में कुछ लोग डोमिनोज खा रहे हैं, उनको देख के आई एम रिग्रेटिंग माई डिसीजन। आई एम थिंकिंग मेरे को भी पिज़्ज़ा खा लेना चाहिए। So I have finally reached at my destination. Should I disclose it now? So yeah, I'm finally in London. Yes, London. Yes. Even I can't believe it. But yes, I'm here. I am headed towards baggage reclaim, and it looks very neat on. I kind of am scared that if I'm headed to the right place or not, because nobody seems to be there around me. So let's just hope I'm heading in the right ways. I'm still walking. I don't know how that how much more do I have to walk. I didn't shoot much in flight because I don't know, due to some reason. I did find a friend of mine at Delhi airport itself, and her flight is half an hour after mine, so I think yeah, I'm just gonna wait for her so that we can go to our location at our stay together. Long ass walking. It's so long that one I even think that am I even going in the right direction? I don't know, there might have been a shorter route for it, but I was not aware of it. And I have been walking, and I'm hoping that I'll reach my baggage claim very soon. After reaching the baggage claim, I finally have received my bags very soon. So yay! I've got my luggage. Fine. Like I did not have to wait. Thankfully, did not have to wait a lot for my luggage. I've met this other person as well with whom I'll travel, and I'm waiting for this other friend whose flight is on other terminal. So she'll get to be done for her immigration. So I'm waiting. We're waiting for her. So yeah, let's just hope that she's done with her invitation soon and then we can go. Yeah, so I'm at the Heathrow Airport, London, and this is supposed to be a very beautiful and big airport. It indeed was big because I had to walk God knows how much to reach to my baggage here, but I finally did. As of now, I cannot tell any difference for the weather because it's hot inside. Do not know what is how's the temperature outside. So yeah, my hair were not looking as flat as they are looking right now when I started my journey. But yeah, it's been a long flight, so it's not in a very idealistic condition right now. And I am still getting used to doing this vlogging in public. Yeah. It's so confusing for me to make these vlogs in portrait. I mean, I get confused that should I make these vlogs in portrait form or in landscape form because I do want to post them on my YouTube as well as my Instagram. But I end up recording it in only one format. So yeah, that is a bit difficult for me. I'm hoping that I'll get past it, get through it. So all three of us are here who are supposed to go together and we are outside, and this is how it looks from the outside. This is the view from the outside. a long day to big day because I am in London and that is huge. But I got very tired. I just ate a little bit and now I'm off to sleep. But I'll show you more. I'll keep you guys with me and show you all around London with me. Room tour will be your way very soon, and I'll show you around our stay as well, the stay from the outside and all around it. I'll keep you updated for the rest of my journey here. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe for more. Love you.